Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiama. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. So I'm starting me and my friend, we are trying a new restaurant in Hazelwood. It's Ostra. We are here for their sushi because I've been craving sushi for the longest time. Hi vlog.
Hi.
Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Come on and take me where you wanna go. Please just make it a place that I don't know. What we have here is for sure. We don't have to. You all just gotta know. We can party through the night. With you here, surely I'm alright. I know you like it. So baby, don't be shy, don't be shy. Bringing out my inner child. This is a soca babe. Welcome everybody. It comes in your body.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Tiamo. If you are a returning subscriber, sweetie, thank you so much for your support. I truly appreciate it. So it's school holidays, and I know I'm speaking like I'm whispering because I don't want my neighbors to hear me. Garbanze on the balcony, so I don't want them to hear me. It's school holidays, and the reason why I haven't been vlogging, it's not because I was busy but not really busy. It's because I saw my numbers dropping. Yeah, I know it is a lame excuse. I saw my numbers dropping, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna come back once my last video reaches maybe 100. But it's been on 40. I see collab, so I'm vlogging today. It's school holidays. It's Thursday of the first week of the school holidays, the 1st of July. I'm running errands. I'm going to Vonorbom Junction. I'm not gonna do grocery shoppings. So let's go get the items at the bed. Let's go balabal, please. Because yeah, let's come and get the items at the bed or the goalies. Like the influencers, they go to let's just get no. It's because I want few things. I'm going to the mall just to get few things from several stores. So I just got ready and I'm about to request, and I'm taking you guys along. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please comment down below, click the subscribe button, like the video, share it with your friends, so that our YouTube, so that what I forgot, so that YouTube recommend us, something like that. currently drinking coffee as a petroleum meal.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to lose and lose, repeating pain. It's all the same. I hate this place. I'm stuck in this paradise. Don't believe in paradise. This must be what hell is like. Got to be more, got to be more. Sick of this out of mind. Intrusive thoughts, the paralyzed. No fun is not the sabotage. There's got to be more. Been here before. Life's better on Saturn. Got to break this pattern. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, yeah. Come
At the moment, there's an installation and revelation form. And mind you, I did this on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. But look, I wanna wear the Kela Kotrobo, Konegi house. It's on it. Lori Ramo, actually, I did this for Pretoria night. One, it looks so horrible. But I'm now in Mr. Price. I'm now at Mr. Price trying to fit. Oh, maybe. I'm tired of like dilo tsela o itse go ya ka nna pele nna dibra ke di rekele go ya mmerekong go ya ka nna pele ne nka sa apara dibra. And this pants ke Brooklyn's cat, but at the back it shows like a skirt, but inside it has an underwear. I know how it does not show properly, but I'm wearing it on top of my tights. But mind you, it does not fit me. I'm so bored. So, mind you, I'm so zip. So it means I'm the kind. At that time, this is size 36. No, guys. At that time, now I thought I was losing weight. But I was definitely wrong. So bored. I'm really so bored because I was planning to wear this pants. Like I have a girl date. If there's anything like that, I have a girl date with my friend. I was thinking of wearing this with stockings and sneakers or boots. I was gonna look lovely, but these are the last pair, unfortunately. Get these for cocktails. It has this lemon tea, strawberry, and orange. Only for $80.